Good morning students. Today we are going to learn subject maths class 4 chapter number 2. Today we are going to learn about different methods of division. Let's learn. Dear students, I have 666 rupees and I have to divide equally among these 6 children. I have 6 notes of 100 rupees, so I will distribute 100 rupees to each child. In this way, how much amount have I distributed? Yes, right, 600 rupees, and I am left with 66 rupees. I have one note of 50 rupees. Can I distribute among these 6 children? No. So I will replace 50 rupees with 5 notes of 10 rupees. Now I have 6 notes of 10 rupees. So I will give 10 rupees to each child. In this way, how much amount have I distributed? 60 rupees. And I am left with 5 plus 1, 6 rupees. Now I replace 5 rupees with 5 notes of 1 rupees. Now I have 6 notes of 1 rupees. So I will distribute 1 rupee to each child. In this way, I have distributed 6 rupees and I am left with nothing. There is no more money to distribute. So each child has got 100 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 1 rupee means 111 rupees. Dear students, now learn this distribution with another method. First, I have distributed 100 rupees to each child. In this way, how much amount have I distributed? Yes, students, 600 rupees. And I am left with 66 rupees. Then I have distributed 10 rupees to each child. How much amount have I distributed? 60 rupees. And I was left with 6 rupees. Then I have distributed 1 rupee to each child. In this way, I have distributed 6 rupees and I was left with nothing. In this way, each child has got 100 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 1 rupees, 111 rupees. Each child has got 111 rupees. Students, let's learn this division with standard method. There is 666 means 6 1, 6 tens and 6 hundreds. There is 6 at hundreds place. Students, you have learnt multiplication and division in last exercise. You know 6 into 1 is equal to 6. We read the table of 6 up to 1. So we get 6. Write 6 below 6 and then subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Write here 0 and bring down 6 from tens place. Here is 6. Yes, students, tell me where is 6 in the table of 6? Yes, students, write 6 ones are 6. You know 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So we place 6 here and then subtract. After subtraction, 6 minus 6, we get 0. Now bring down 6 from 1's place. Read the table of 6 till we get 6. Yes, 6 ones are 6. Write 6 below 6 and then subtract. we get 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. In this way, we have 100, 110 and 1 ones, means 111. So students, if we equally distribute the currency notes, each one gets 111 rupees. Through non-standard method of division, again each one gets 111 rupees. And through standard method of division, again each one is getting 111 rupees. Dear students, you have learned to divide equally with standard and non-standard method of division. In homework, you will do exercise 2.8, divide question number 3rd and 4th by this method. Thank you.